How to create dual apps in Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to create dual apps in Android phone. Without further ado, let's get started. Suppose if you want to make dual app for WhatsApp, navigate to settings and then tap the search bar at top of your screen. Based on your Android phone model, the name might vary. On my it's App Cloner. You can even search for dual app. Launch App Cloner. Now here you can see recommended apps and other apps. Launch WhatsApp and toggle on the button on for create app clone. Currently, I am not being able to turn this button on due to the less storage remaining. So make sure you have enough storage remained on your Android phone so that you can create easily dual apps in Android phone. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.